Now, from carbonyl compound preparation of alcohol. This alcohol is prepared from aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde and ketone, in presence aldehyde react with palladium to form primary alcohol. Ketone in presence of sodium borohydride to form secondary alcohol. Aldehyde always give primary alcohol. Ketone always give secondary alcohol. Simple reduction method in presence of palladium and sodium borohydride respectively. Now, similarly, reduction of carboxylic acid and ester means these two compound carboxylic as well as containing COOH group. Here also there is a carbon compound. In case of ester, RCOOR. This also react with reduction, that is in presence of lithium aluminum hydride and followed by hydrolysis to form primary alcohol. Means carboxylic compound in presence of lithium aluminum hydride to form primary alcohol, whereas ester in presence of hydrogen catalyst to form alcohol as a product. Now here reduction of aldehyde ketone ester with no alcohol is called Bonnevilt-Blanc reaction. Now see, same here as we discuss organometallic compound in previous chapter, that is haloalkane haloarine. There is a carbonyl compound. As we discuss, carbonyl compound means C double bond O. Whenever it react with organometallic, that is RMgX. R is always make a bond with carbon and MgX is bonded with O to form intermediate, that is RCOMgX. That is an intermediate formation. This intermediate formation undergoes hydrolysis. On hydrolysis, there is a bond cleavage between CO bond. So there is a formation of HOH, right? So this is the formation of alcohol as a product in case of carbonyl compound by using Grignard reagent to form alcohol. Primary, secondary, tertiary, all alcohol is prepared from this Grignard reagent. Now see here, carbonyl gives product as a alcohol. This alcohol is depends on our reactant whatever we are taking. Suppose that I have to take methanol, so primary alcohol. When ethanol, secondary alcohol. Then ketone, that is tertiary alcohol. Or if example for you, what happen when this carbon dioxide react with RMgX? This is a homework for you. You all are solve this and just send me a solution of this for in your my WhatsApp, right? So what happened to carbon dioxide react with Grignard reagent? Okay. Then also alcohol is prepared by the alkyl halide, hydrolysis of alkyl halide. Simple very reaction. RX react with H2O to form ROH and HX is to be given out, right? But the reaction takes place in presence of aqueous KOH. Aqueous KOH always give product as a addition. Now here also hydrolysis of alkyl halide. Alkyl halide react with aqueous KOH to form alcohol and KH. To avoid the dehydrohalogenation, RAX is a mild alkali like moisture. Moisture is to be used so that there is a formation of ROH. Now here see given ease of hydrolysis of alkyl halide RI, RBr, RCl at this part, right? So always reactivity as we know iodine, Br, then Cl, then fluorine. Now similarly hydrolysis of ester. In case of hydrolysis of hydrolysis of ether. In case of hydrolysis of ether, that is ROR, when react with water in presence of sulfuric acid, there is a formation of alcohol, right? ROR, bond cleavage takes place in such a way that there is a formation of simply alcohol. See here, that is ROR. And here hydrolysis, here I am writing H, here OH. There is a formation of two molecule of alcohol is to be formed. That is the preparation of alcohol by the ether. Now, from primary amine also gives the product as alcohol in presence of nitrous acid. Nitrous acid, that is HNO2. HNO2 is a nitrous acid. From that, this amine is converted into, amine is changes into nitrous acid. Amine is react with nitrous acid to form alcohol. That is, it gives N2 and H2O, because nitrous acid is prepared from the sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid. Also, it is a nitrating, it is a mixture of diazonium salt, NaNO2, this HCl, right? So that there is a preparation of alcohol as a product.